Okay, guys, we here at Bramfontein, so check out my couple with his tin into now about to Babonai. Guys, Sebangena, Lavakuligan, same time. Hello, guys, hello. Come on, let's do like us tonight. Guys, can I tell you something? Nibashi.
Showcase.
Nibashi. And Joel. Are you guys dating?
He's asking that actually me and you dating.
Yeah, we're dating.
You guys look alike. You guys look the same. You guys look like you match.
That's
So, guys, I come from CMTV. I'm a guest presenter. I have this thing. I'm going to ask you questions. Can you do it?
What questions?
Just any questions. I'm a couple. So, first question: do you guys love each other?
Yeah.
Is it true love?
Yeah, it's true love.
True love. Okay. Second question: do you guys trust each other?
I trust him. Yeah, I trust him.
Do you trust him?
I trust him.
So you guys trust each other? Can you test that?
Yeah, you can
You
test
trust?
it.
Are you sure? So I have this game there. So if only you guys are gonna swipe phones. But I'm gonna start with you're gonna swipe phones for like 60 seconds. So for the page, and you're also gonna page his phone.
And he's been acting weird, so let's do that.
Katenzani?
He's been acting weird, so let's do that.
Mom, you didn't know
He
that.
doesn't answer calls in front of me.
You didn't know that. You didn't know the story.
No, let's swap the phones.
No stress. No stress.
So
Yeah,
oh, okay, and then
but mommy, you know, but then you didn't know now, you know.
Let's swap the phones.
Yazin, I have a plan. Start with his phone.
With his phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
So start with his phone and see what's in there. So you're gonna go to WhatsApp, go to wherever you wanna go. Yeah, bro. Ish. Okay. Yeah, WhatsApp. Cool, everything.
Can I call this number?
Yeah, you can.
Because that number phones him a lot.
Is that person who was facing
Who's that person? Now
That
can
one,
we go?
that one,
Can
that
we
one.
go?
But then I faced you most of that person. Mostly, you cannot. There's no
No,
need.
no, then who's that?
That person it was
Because this
facing
person
your
is
fault.
so precious. Who is that?
No, it's the name is not written, most
Hey,
mommy. You can then
hey.
see, mommy.
Now can we phone?
My colleague, you see, and he's my actually.
Now, if
wait,
it's the colleague,
he's
phone
actually
the
my supervisor.
colleague.
You see, now I don't like phoning him like it's gonna be like I'm irritating him. He's gonna get
Now
an
phone
end.
the colleague. If it's a colleague,
Nah,
you phone the colleague.
It's after work, you can call him.
Yeah.
He's gonna think that I'm not gonna fight.
Maybe it's gonna be like you asking for work. He would say, what work do you have to do? Understand?
Okay, that's a year.
Hello, who the hell is us?
It's not.
That is a lady. You
It's
said
not
this is a man. You said this is a
It's
colleague.
a supervisor. That's why.
No. Are you the supervisor?
No,
Who the hell are you?
I'm his girlfriend. It's why you
Mommy,
His
I faced you.
girlfriend.
yes.
His
She's
girlfriend.
lying, this one. Hey,
His girlfriend. Who the hell are you? Since when has this been going on?
I'm telling you, this is my boyfriend for them. We're dating 3 months now.
3 months. 3 months.
Yes, 3 months.
3 months.
I was calling her 3 minutes, not 3 months.
3 months.
3 minutes. No, minutes.
No,
Where did you say where you
I'm
from?
shy. I'm shy. Sorry. I'm shy.
I am in a very much
Wait,
opposition
wait.
to ask.
Mommy,
Wait.
don't do that, mommy.
Wait.
You didn't know, mommy, how to hang you, mommy.
Listen, Yane, stop. You know what? Just take your thing.
Man,
Take
don't
your
do that.
thing.
Man.
Take your thing. Take your thing.
Just wait, just be serious, please, and tell her that you are joking and what, please. Just be serious.
Take your thing.
No,
I don't want this.
you my supervisor.
Hi,
not my girlfriend.
hi.
No, man, you're not destroying my relationship. I really love this girl, man.
Mega I express.
Leave me.
Mega express kabiyami.
Kodwa bafethu. Bafethu anikwazi ukuyenza leyo bafethu.
Let's go union.
I'm done.
Kwenzakalani?
3 months. 3 months. That's way too long.
So
Mami,
sisi,
you
what's going on here njengamanje?
This is my boyfriend. And we've been dating
Mami,
for...
nine,
No,
nine.
leave me.
Nine, mami.
I don't want him anymore.
And then wait, sisibuka ngithi mina kwenzakalani njengamanje? What's going on?
You're
No,
the base
clearly
that
is he
I you.
cheating? What
Bafo,
does go?
bafo, wenza uyenzelani?
Bafethu.
What's going on?
Ish bafethu. Mana njaya, mana.
Kwenzakalani ba?
Uyazi ukuthi ikhambane njaya.
Azi ngicheze mchazele ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Wait, let me
Mchazele,
actually.
yeah.
I don't
Wait,
want
ma'am.
your explanations. I don't want nothing
Please,
from you.
mommy, please. Okay, wait. Just for two
Mana.
seconds.
No,
3 seconds.
no.
1, 2, 3. Just 1, 2, 3 explanation.
And say what?
Wait, let me explain for you. Wait, mommy, please, mommy. Don't be like
Wait,
this, mommy, please.
ungambambi, miyeke nje, khuluma naye kahle, khuluma naye
She
kahle.
knows that I do nga. Please, mommy,
Now
don't
who's
do this.
precious? 3 months.
Wait, let me vase you and
Ah, you bought her shoes.
let me vase let me vase you what actually happened, you see. This person violently knows me, you see. I can say that because she's been giving me extra shifts, extra pay, you see, things like that at work. Violate, mommy. You know I didn't know you. I won't do something like that to you. Mommy, please, mommy.
Ungambambi, kabi ungambambi, khuluma naye kahle.
I don't want
Don't hold.
Now then leave me because I'm done. I don't
Ungangiyeke nje mfethu, khuluma naye kahle.
want
You
Ube
know how my
grand.
tani knows you. Now what am I
Yes.
gonna say to my tani when
What
she
you gonna
finds
say to
out?
the time?
Wait.
Do you think I care now at this point?
Wait, sisi.
Don't do this,
Oh, mniki chance nawe wachaza ukuthi mhlawumbe into yakhe bese ma uyahamba.
I don't want to. Yeah.
You know
Wasamfuni.
you know how to know you.
So,
I don't want
what's
to.
gonna happen now?
Now he must go his own way and I'll go my own way. I don't want to. I'm going home.
Then, mommy, you know I know you most. Mommy, you know I know you
Wait,
most.
bafo miyeke. Miyeke, mana bafo, Wena nto mana, kanti wena why wenza into yenzayo?
Bafethu.
Mana bafo, mana. Mani.
Wena leyo bafethu anikwazi ukuyenza.
Wena why wenza nje mfethu?
Bafethu yo. Lo muntu bafethu ngisanda kuhlangana naye nje ampheka nje yabo ngisanda kumthola ngithola. Umuntu wena mfethu ngisanda kumvusa wena nje mina umuntuogrand nje am 100. Ngithola. Lo muntu lo mfethu nami mfethu ophelayo mfethu la ngibangela isiqiwu mfethu. Sabathi ngiyamziba nzala lutho.
Mana, phela ama-camera asekhona ukwazi ukwenza yonke into nje manje.
Angithi manje ngiyakubeka mzala ukuthi kahle kahle ikhambani yabo mfethu. Kuthi lo muntu mfethu angikhoni mzala. Angikhoni ngempela. Since lokho engibhelela yabo njengoba kuyinamba yakhe yokugcina nje igcina ukufona.
Intombi yakho nale.
Angeke ngisho ukuthi ngathi uthini mzala. Uyangifuna kodwa mina mzala.
Oh, uyakufuna.
Ufuna mina mzala
Uyakufuna.
qondile ngithona.
Eh.
Mina kongikhaya nje mfethu nje grand nje spanning nje uma extra shift nje mfethu nje extra money ngithona. Nami ngibe grand nami ngasikhathi yabona. Kodwa mfethu nje mfethu yabo mfethu
Ah, mfethu awuzami ukuthi into zakho kabiyama yini? Angeke kusamthola kabiyama. Uvayile. Uhambile kabiyama. Wait, me, wait, wait. Guys, siniki chance noma.
I don't want to give him a chance. It's finished.
Aye,
Wait,
bafo,
they mean a
bafo,
chance.
bafo.
They mean a chance for
I
us, not for
don't
them.
want to.
Mommy, please don't do that, mommy.
No, bafo, me kahambe dog.
Hayi bafethu
Kuyenzeka, no, kuyenzeka bafo.
Hayi angiyenzeki leyo angivumi leyo mzala.
Kuyenzeka, bafo.
Mami,
Hayi bafo me, guys. Bafo me ke bafo. Guys, yabona ukuthi mawuchisa kwenzakalani, so please guys, focus. Focusani. Drama ngekho. Miyeke dog. Bafethu. Asibheka abanye bafethu sibone ukuthi khambane ngebrama bafethu ngoba yabo la sisimosha kakhulu, yabo. But then I hope they're gonna fix izinto bebe Rainbow too because kuningi kwenzakala to umjolo wabo whatever ababiza bona. Yeah guys. Asiye sobona kwenye indawo ukuthi what's the level. Guys, kabiyami nje manje xa sijike la eMcDonald's sobona ukuthi sizothola ba. Siyabo sibone sibheka nje ama-couple. Noma yiphi couple sayingena at same time. Noma yiphi khuleka. Esibona nje gqisha phezu kwayo uthi ngibone. Laba ngeke. Hayi ngeke la. Azame ngala. Why are we supering? Naba lapha. Oba lapha. Bazibashana nenkawu zibayibhemela kupholiwe. Hello guys.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Sure.
Thanks.
Hola, cuz.
Yeah, sure. But can I tell you something, guys? Ne?
Okay, right.
Ngimoyi bafethu.
Thank
Serious?
Hayi nibahle bafethu. Fanelana.
Serious.
Before ngiphaphe niyajola noma ngizithini?
Mama, kabe.
Yimama.
Yeah.
Niyathandana impela?
Kahle.
Yeah, so bafethu mina ngulethu yabo.
7 years.
7 years.
Yeah.
Okay, ujola nini? Unyaka.
Siqala ukujola 2016.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, 16.
Okay, mina ngulethu because I come from CMTV. So thina CMTV ama-couple usewathanda yabo. Then you like to so interview and talk now and get ukuthi bayathembana. So first thing first, can I tell you something?
Yes.
Ngibasho ukuqala wesibini fanelana.
Okay.
Ngathi ningashada umntwana ukusisa abe nayo. Nibe ney'ngane ey'ningi. Uloboleke nkabi.
Ngiyabonga kabe.
Mama uzokulobola ne.
Ngiyalobola you mami.
You
Yeah,
must. You
ngilobole
have to.
ngilobole.
So ama-camera manje awani kabza.
No,
Understand.
i-CMTV le. Ngihamba nawo. Ngihamba nawo yabo nje abafethu bonke labo ukhuleka ngawo.
Okay, right.
Ni grand ngalokho ne.
Yes.
Don't have a problem, start.
Yeah, no problem.
Anankinga ngithi.
Okay, alright.
Okay, guys, I have questions for you. Do you guys love each other?
Yes, we do.
Is it true love?
I believe so.
Like really love?
Yeah.
Okay, second question, do you guys trust each other? NiyaThembana Na.
Actually, yeah.
Bafu yamthemba?
Ngiyamthemba kabi kodwa ngiyamthemba kabi.
Why are you taking so long to answer? Do you trust me?
I do, Scott. Sorry. Ngiyamthemba kabi.
Okay, sisi yamthemba.
Yes, I trust him.
Okay. So, manthembana guys, I have this game about the trust test yabo. Ufuna ubona ukuthi uthembana ngampela ni. Yabo so into engiyenzayo. Sorry English ngiyazi ngizokuchazela ngicela bafungisa isiZulu. But you can hear isiZulu ne?
Yeah. So.
Yeah, sibambe kancane. So into eyenzakalayo ukuthi ngithatha amafoni eni niwashintshe ne2.
But trust doesn't have to depend on exchanging phones because
No,
you
but
trust
kumele nibone ukuthi kwenzakalani efonini.
I don't mind. What about you?
Ubafaka manje wena now I'm sure more mind is. Ngoba yini couple.
So you don't trust me.
No, I do trust you, Scott. But
So-
then,
So why would you want to
no,
go to my
it's
phone?
offerings, just an offer.
We don't need a game to determine our love. Don't you love me?
I do, Scott.
Do you believe that I love
No,
you?
Scott, I do, Scott.
So
But
you-
then, it's just exchanging phones.
Kushuthi ifoni kuphela and then uzochecka ku WhatsApp,
I trust you, my
check yonke into Instagram ukuthi kwenzakalani.
So you're
Eh.
willing to let a stranger go through our personal things?
No, he's gonna go.
No, it's not
Then
like
you-
that, but
so-
then,
Mina ifoni yakhe ngiyithinta.
Okay.
He's gonna touch your phone and then you're gonna touch his
I
phone.
know there's nothing, Scott. It's just for them to get off us, you see. But
Just
they're
like
making us
your-
what you wanna
it's content,
come
guys.
eat now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
quick, man.
Yeah?
So we're gonna exchange phones.
I don't mind, okay. Guys, let's go. Yazi let's just do sikhuleka. Siyasenza. Okay, bafu mnikufoni yakhe qale ngawo.
Yeah.
Mnikufoni yakhe yeah. So you're gonna go everywhere. You check WhatsApp, you check whatever you wanna check. You can even go maybe magarage, maybe you can find the notes corner. Go. Beg everything.
I don't believe he is such.
Beg maybe kuna notes la. Yegalari qala.
So I start by the gallery.
Just check kancane fast.
Okay. Hi.
I know my WhatsApp ne. Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's fine.
Trust
No,
me,
check
Scott.
ukugcina. Ibane show. Are you sure? Check
Yes, I'm
sisa.
sure.
Check
If
sisa.
I'm lala kuye lo muntu, face them, Scott. My phone
Yeah.
sleeps by
Check
your
his
feet.
sister, Swam, are you sure? Don't be scared.
Yes, I trust him.
It's a free country.
Yeah. There's nothing here that I haven't seen. I've
It's a
seen
free
it all.
country, yabo. Are you sure? Sure.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, ma
But
ukuthi
sure,
sure.
sifuna ukuyodla thina la lenzeni fast ngikabzana.
Na khuleka so shesha kabam. And then mniki phone yakho ke now.
But why, man? Why do you want my phone?
Not me, baby. It's them.
Hayi yena kangene yimi mina engicelayo kahle kahle. Neka sekunikile yakho. Because now unikile yakho. So now I want
So what if you might find something? He's a very jealous guy, ne? So like, as you can see, ne, I have
Baby, just give them
Instagram.
the phone, please. Please, don't make
No.
things difficult or
Like I'm
what.
trying to tell you. Like I'm on Instagram, ne? So like by commenter and things, ne? So he's gonna get jealous. So that's why.
No, it's fine Instagram, just Instagram.
Okay.
Oh. When yema ukuthi so ngiyabheka baba. big sister bafukhululeke everywhere. Ya WhatsApp, bheke yonke into. Oh lava bangaka.
Mana ka.
Ngibona ama-hearts awu-1,000 million.
Basopa now.
Baby, but you don't have to do this.
Wait, Kat, wait.
So you're gonna let a stranger come in between us?
No, baby. I just want to see something, that's all. Then it's finished.
So you don't believe me?
No, I do believe this, Kat. Don't stress.
No, that doesn't mean you believe me.
Who's
It
that
doesn't.
now?
It's just some other guy.
Baby, wait.
No,
who's that
bafuna
now?
Like-
Oh,
Wait,
now
wait.
sebambane. Wait.
Like, why are you going so on? Why are you going so on?
Wait, babes, relax.
I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't.
No, mnike ithuba naye. Just give him a chance.
I gave you a chance, my Scott. Relax.
Mnike ithuba naye. Like, just wena manika handle wena. Bheka face. Yabo.
Ngiyakuba doch ne. Sikangenzi. Don't do
No.
that.
Ufuna ifoni yakho wena?
Yeah,
Nika ifoni yakho. Ungaforce.
Wait.
Ungaforce.
Let me
bro.
ask you something first.
Wait. Don't force. Bafuna yakho mayifuna
Wait.
akuyona yakho mnike.
Who's this papa?
It's just this other guy
That guy from
work.
from work? From where?
From work.
So you'll call each other love, wifey, lifey, all that. When am I gonna see you?
Like you know, ne. I've been meaning to tell you this, ne. But
What?
I didn't know how to tell you.
I'm listening.
I don't feel our relationship anymore.
Also, you prefer to make me dorm with another guy?
I'm not cheating on you. Like I like your vibe.
No, we're vibing actually as we're not trolling.
I like the image that I see when I look into your eyes, the reflection of myself.
So many years, the only time you tell me that now. You see
Back
now.
then it was something. Now it's just like we're friends, and I've
Young
I've
child
looked for
along.
ways to tell you.
You taking me dorm, you.
I'm not.
Taking me for a full size.
Can you see? Are you swearing at me?
Wait, listen here.
Or
Taking
you
me for a
swearing
puss
at me now?
No.
I'm just telling you nicely what is going on.
Who's Parker? You busy with Parker? You busy with other guys while you're trolling me?
How many times did I tell you the same thing over and over? It's just a friend at work.
So, wait. You're telling me that you're not feeling my vibe anymore? What? It's just a guy from work. What are you doing with him then?
We just I like him and he likes me.
Oh, okay. So what more do you do with this guy? Tell me more. Because I see you making me dumb.
I'm not cheating on you. Like, you just have a vibe, we have a special bond. I don't know how that bond came, but it just came. It just happened. I didn't mean for it to happen, and I was gonna tell you. But I've given you all the red flags, but you don't see them. You choose not to see them because your love is too much. And I hate to break it to you this way. But I'm sorry, there is someone else. But I don't love him as much as I love you.
That doesn't matter anymore.
Why doesn't it matter? So what we had is not real.
To you, if you thought of that before you chose with this guy, take your phone. I don't need it anymore. You see, if our love was special to you, we wouldn't be doing what you're doing right now.
Guys, I think into
Okay,
le
it's fine.
ngizoyikhuluma angazi kanjani.
But
Ngicela-
listen here, man, don't
No,
be
start.
this guy, man. Please, like, isn't there something we can do?
You're busy with your...
yabona phethi lapha naye kwenzeka amasiko.
Not cheating on you.
Why are you so?
How am I?
Why are you
Just
so?
tell me how am
Why
I?
are you so?
Because if you have given me everything, I wasn't gonna go search for it in another man. Like, you don't give me your time, you don't put effort in.
But
You
then I try. Don't I try? Wait, listen. Don't I try to be there for you?
No. But your try isn't enough. You try, but it's not enough. I need more.
But then...
I deserve it all. And you are a very nice guy, you also deserve it. But I'm not the one that you're looking for. I do love you a lot and I'm afraid to lose you because you're a very nice guy. But I don't know how are we gonna handle the situation.
So now, listen. One thing I want to know.
Angazi ukuthi
Mzali, wena usixabanisile la mzala
Yeah,
sinomama mzali.
But when this man
Manene,
asked you,
please.
do you love me? You said yes.
mina
I believe love can come from
Ngibonga
all.
ukuthi nifikile nje kuphela nje mzali yabo.
nina nisenithembela ngithi.
Mina hayi. Kodwa ngike ngasho sekuqaleni ukuthi ngiyamthemba kodwa ngimthembi yabo.
Yeah.
Yikho nje ukuthi nami sengiya ngama-chance yabo ngifuna ukuverifya lento yami le ukuthi uqondile hayi ngabona ukuthi hayi ama-chance ngiyabonga mina ukuthi shuthi nje uNkulunkulu nawadloza kimi.
So ngizongisa kanjani ngizoyilungisa ngizokhuluma.
Hi, but we can talk through this, baby.
No, stay with your partner.
Don't be this guy, can you see?
Why are you making me dumb? Why you see what breaks me the most is that you're making me dumb. That's what's making me stressed. And first. You know, baby, you know you the way I know you. You know the way I know you. I do anything for you.
I
do
know,
anything
that's why I'm
for
afraid
you.
of losing you.
But then now, why do such things then if you don't want to lose me?
Like, I'm monogamous relationship is
No,
God
it's
for
fine.
me.
It's fine, as I said, it's fine.
I think
You
guys
can
kuzomele
move on with your guy.
nikhulume
I'm fine.
nethu kahle ngoba
Cha, kabe
mina I was just doing
ngizoyikhuluma.
a
Cha, mina ngibonga ukuthi
test
ngifike
yabo.
nje yabo.
Yabo.
Mina ngikodwa nje ngigrand ngaye. Hayi ngigrand ngaye. Akahlale le ndoda yakhe la
Asishithi nepha sibadawazi lo bami begrain.
hayi mzala ngibonge mzala.
Begrain nanga siswami uyiphathe kahle.
So we're no longer gonna have lunch. Babe. 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 Don't go on like this, man, please. Boo.
Lento nami angikholwanga like I didn't really believe ukuthi ngenzeka kanjena ngendlela yenzeke ngayo. And ibhlungu because abantu abaningi baqambelana amanga ezweni. Qambelana amanga bathi siyathandana whatever but ekugcineni they know ngaphansi ukuthi bayadlalana. Why waste isikhathi somuntu?